With the connection made, I really just recommend to do this post-installation step, that is put a new license on the server, since the license is temporary. The way we do it is basically we go to the slicense T-code, and as you can see we have two licenses. Unfortunately we cannot update this license, only this one. So that's what we are going to do now. So first thing first, we are going to open the browser, and I'm going to come here and copy the link. So basically, as you can see, on gosportsapp.com minisap, we can request a new license. So we want this one here, the Cbase NPL, and we're going to select this and going to come here. I'm going to just put something here to let it know, cp.com, and the hardware key, you got it from here. So you copy this. Okay, yeah, we need to accept the agreement too. Put the hardware key, generate. So we got the file, and basically we come here, we menu, edit, delete license. We delete the license, and now we are going to install the new one. So for that we do the same thing, edit, install license. We go to the place where it was downloaded, the new one. So downloads, npl, we allow, and successfully installed. As you can see, we have now the NetWeaver CB permanently. The server now is ready to start to be configured or use like you want. So yeah, now it's up to you.